Hello students, let us learn the lesson Control and Coordination. Observe the given pictures. Children playing on swings. It is a type of movement. It is for entertainment. A cat running. It is running to get its food. A seed germinates. It pushes soil and comes out. It is a type of movement. It is for growth. Folding of leaves by a touch-me-not plant. Folding the leaves is a type of movement. The plant is showing response to the stimulus. Closing the eyes by looking at the bright sunlight. Closing the eyes is a type of movement. It is showing response to the stimulus. A sunflower turns towards the direction of sunlight. It is a type of movement for the growth. Octopus is moving to capture its food. These are the different type of movements. So, movement is either for protection or to get food or for growth or to respond changes in the environment. In order to respond to the changes in the environment, there should be a control and coordination among the different organs of the body. In animals, such a control and coordination is provided by nervous system. Nervous system helps in controlling and coordinating various activities and functions in the body that enable an organism to respond to the changes in the environment. Nervous system enable an organism to respond to various stimuli. What is the importance of nervous system? It enables us to adjust to the environment or situation. It enables us to think, reason and remember. It regulates or controls both voluntary and involuntary activities of the body. If you touch a hot object, you withdraw your hand. How do we detect that we are touching a hot object? This nervous system detects it. Nervous system is made up of neurons or called nerve cells. Nervous system is made up of neurons or called nerve cells. What is a neuron? Neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of nervous system. What is a neuron? Students, note in your notebook. Write in your notebook. What is a neuron? Neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of nervous system. There are three types of neurons. One is sensory neuron. It carries impulses from receptors or the sense organs to brain or the spinal cord. Second one is motor neuron. It carries impulse from brain or spinal cord to the effectors or the muscles. Third one is mixed neuron. It carries both stimulus and response impulses. There are three types of neurons: sensory neuron, motor neuron, mixed neuron. Now let us learn the structure of a neuron. Students, refer page number 81, figure 7.1a. Structure of a neuron. A neuron consists of a cell body with prominent nucleus. There is cytoplasm in the cell body. The hair-like structures which arise from the cell body are called dendrites, D-N-D-R-I-T-E-S. there is a long extension from the cell body. Long extension arising from the cell body, that is known as axon. It is covered by a fatty sheath called myelin sheath. The axon ends in a bunch of nerves or nerve endings. Students, draw this diagram in your science notebook as well as in your science record book. Students, observe this diagram. There is a tiny gap between two successive neurons. That gap is known as synapse or synapse. The tiny gap between two successive neurons is known as synapse. Synapse. You see blue color in the diagram. Students, refer the video to understand the transmission of message.